please subscribe to our YouTube channel.
With your own roads over fresh green grass, with your lonely road on the natural gas, and you make them long and you make them tough, but they just go